Welcome to the sweetest construction site in the world. Construction sign Sweet. Here, cranes are made of candy canes. Bulldozers roll on jellybean wheels. And chocolate bricks are stacked sky high. Chocolate bar building construction hash. Tiny workers in marshmallow hard hats are busy mixing strawberry syrup cement. Carefully laying licorice pipes underground. Strawberry construction worker #hash. A lollipop tower rises in the middle. Twisting, turning, and dripping with caramel. Lollipop sparkles. Everything is delicious. But this is serious work in Candyland. Face-savoring delicious food wrench. With sprinkles flying and sugar gears spinning. This isn't just construction. It's a sweet masterpiece in the making. Hammer and wrench #donut. Only the most skilled and sweetest crew could build something this tasty. Birthday cake.